Abachera kwesharinga n'abahagizi ba masekanye sijo wasingira karuru ko bunyishengero w'eminyeto kandi bababine pande bahandikira ebigambo byo kwetomboita nkoko akachiko ko bururu karukwenda kwindura byarugiro mu karuru akatirwe biro mukago kwezoko
enakuzo omwezi zali mukaga muguno omwezi gwe tulimu twalonda akaluru kaffe nga kabwenkanya nnyo ate nga kabirembe akaluru kaffe twasalawo ne tugaka tukawe mase kanyesije olwokola nti ye muntu gwe twali tutaddemu obwesigo okulaba nga atukiikirira ffe ng'abavubuka ab'e Uganda mu parliament eno naye kyanyinaku nnyo okulaba nti obuwanguzi bwaffe bwasazibwamu ne bagamba nti akalulu kaalimu emivuyo emingi ate nga kalulu kabalibwa mu musana nga gwaka.
We belong, we are the youth of this nation. If we are saying we are going to build this nation and then one candidate, one sole person pretending to be a youth, they come and say the president has ordered there should be a recount, which recount happens even before the court we get any hearing. They say a recount is going to happen. It is publicized in all the media. Which kind of violence is that?
Stephen Ndyamuhachi Mbarara najango wakatera karuru karungi bitu na hatangaro kushanga Diana Kampe owasingirwe nuguzwa arukujango bakamwiba. Ndyamuhachi najango akanaka koryo akuba rukwenda kwejonisa kuhindura ebyarugiro mu karuraka.
They had that first confidence, believing they were winning, and maybe out of all this it was a surprise to them that maybe the young people decided differently. So I explore all the stakeholders in this government to come and defend this very cause. That people who are driving their own motives should not really shut down the voices.
Where did the democracy of this country go? We are not going to allow that. If not, all stakeholders, NGOs, each and every person, wherever you are, come and we fight for democracy. If we are saying Uganda is a democratic country, what happened to that democracy? If it is one vote, one person, why then do the issues of recounting come? Where do they come from?
Bashaba President Museveni mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero n'abandi bebembezi kureba ngo democracy y'ihanga tiyateganisubwa abarkweyendeze byabo.
This election was free and fair. What else do we really need to listen? I explore whoever is interested in this case, the President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Tuhaburwa, the Speaker of Parliament, and among, and whoever to come out and defend the genuine vote of the young people, the mandate of the young people.
Aba bantu bacetomboita nuko Poorisi kuretwaho etaataaniise. Ahitwa handikira amakuru aga twabataka tongere kugaruka mu okurwa mu office y'ebyo bururu omu Hoima gasha kwa Ahindugire City bakatoto.